everybody, it's Carrie with Park Seeds app from Seed to Spoon. I just wanted to share our newest update that we have that just came out that includes a completely new revamped look, and I hope you guys like it as much as we do. So right now, if you go to your iOS or Android stores and you update your app, you will have the newest version there. And I will go ahead and I'm going to show you guys on my phone, and I'm going to pop it up here on the screen so that way you guys can follow along with me and see exactly what the newest update includes. So right here, you'll notice whenever you first open the screen that it does look quite a bit different, because before it would take you to that main plants list, which would just give you the list of all of our plants that we have in our database. But you still have that view here too. You can go up here and tap this plant list and you can see all of the things there that were there before. But over here on our main screen, it kind of will just help to walk you through and guide you through everything that we have available on the app too, just to make it hopefully a little bit more clear for you guys and be easier to walk through. So down here, you'll notice first, it will show you where you have the My Gardens and Plants. So if you are logged in, you will see any of your gardens that you have created in the past. If you haven't created a garden yet, you definitely need to try it. I have my current garden pulled up right here, which is my front yard garden. I have a couple different gardens going. That's why and then I have them all named like front yard, backyard, side yard. So right now I'm in my front yard, and you can go in and see all of the plants that you have currently in your plant. So this was that My Garden view from before. And then if we go back to the main screen, you'll notice that there is a Plant Now section. So if there are any plants in your area that you can plant right now, it will give you a list of the plants right there that you can go ahead and get started indoors and outdoors. And then we also have this Learn and Grow section, which is really cool because I do webinars typically once every 2 weeks or so, and I go over a little bit of everything, pretty much whatever I'm doing in the garden or what I'm doing inside and growing. So my last one was everything microgreens. And then I have another one that's going to be coming up here soon in a couple weeks about cover crops. So the most recent one or the upcoming one will be showing right here in this screen. So you can go in and watch it at any time. This will take you directly to our YouTube channel, and you can watch all of our webinars and all of that we do there for free. And then down here, we have a video section where I put out, again, a bunch of YouTube videos, shorts or full length ones. They'll both pop into there and populate so you can see a little bit of what I'm doing in my garden at this time. And that's about it. So on the main screen too, I didn't cover the very top. I want to make sure I pointed out. I did show you the plant list right here where it will take you to all of our plants again, and nothing really has changed in there yet. And then there's this weather tab right here that you can scroll through and see the current conditions for your areas, the high, the low, also time below 50 degrees or over 90 degrees. That can be super helpful if you are planting and trying to harvest certain things that like certain temperatures. And then we also still have that critter section, and this will show you all of the different pests that we have in our garden, not in our garden, but we do have a lot of them, but out in any gardens. And then we also have beneficials too, because a lot of critters are good to have in your garden. And then if you've never seen the screen, you can tap on all of these too and go through and get some tips for how to handle any of these pests. So that's about it for our newest update that we have here for our main screen. And let me know also in the comment section what you guys think of this. Is there anything that you would like to see different? Is there anything you would like to see added on there? I would love to hear feedback from everybody about what they think and what they would like to see. And I will always share that on. Well, thank you so much for hanging out today with me. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I look forward to seeing you all again soon.